Mopar Mike back off in this thing. I'm on the road, man. You know, like I told y'all in previous videos, I'm always traveling for work. You know what I'm saying? My job had me somewhere everywhere, bruh. But it's all good, you know. Mopars ain't cheap, so you know how that go. But look, this video today is about my exhaust. As y'all saw in the opening video, that exhaust, I had to upgrade it. I had the boiler attacks on. Really wasn't hitting on shit, man. So switched it up. I'm so happy, so pleased with what I got. So follow me along on the journey. You dig? It's time to make the baby louder. You see them sport lines up under there. It's time to get the way.
Yeah.
Straight pipe. They convinced me with the straight pipes over the Super 10s. We're gonna see. Eight. Ah. Yeah, I just, it's low to the ground. I lowered it.
Put some of them lamps down there. It's dropping low.
Yeah, I dropped it this morning.
Put something down there on them lamps so you gonna drag something.
Yeah. I think he's going to get some wood.
Yeah, that's what's up. You're gonna be dead, but you gonna have to.
No, we don't want them problems. I done find me a new shop to go to. That's a good thing. I stay out here too. I was going way to Cobb County, man. That's where I was at this morning.
Oh, okay. Cobb County. For that?
To get my springs, yeah.
Oh, you got some springs.
Yeah. That's why it's so low. Yeah.
Damn, what you doing?
I had some work done to the motor. It's the first cold start since I got the straight pipe. She's loud.